Hi boys and girls. Today we're working with the phonograms ild as in child and ind as in rind. Our first word that we're going to write is mild. 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 And when you're writing, you need to leave space because we're going to write each word 2 times in each box. So the first word is mild. Mild. Then we're going to write that word again in the same box. Mild. Mild. So you are writing each word 2 times. And I'm going to underline the phonogram ild. Our next word is wild. 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 And one more time. Wild. Wild. Underline the phonogram ild. Our next word is child. 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 And remember to underline the phonogram ild. Our fourth word is bind. 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 One more time. Bind. Bind. Please underline the phonogram ind. Our next word is grind. Ind. Grind. Ind. One more time. Ind. Grind. Please underline the phonogram ind. Our next word is find. 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 Write it again. Ind. Please underline the phonogram ind. Our next word is blind. Ind. Ind. One more time. Ind. Blind. Please underline the phonogram ind. Our last word is kind. 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 One more time. Kind. Kind. Please underline the phonogram ind. Way to go. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to continue with phonograms. As you can see at the top, we're working with all, L, ill, ol, and ol. We have our word bank, ball, full, smell, spill, tall, bowl, grill, bell, shell, and troll. We are going to use our word bank to match our words to the picture. So the first word I have is ball. All. I'm going to write ball with its matching picture. Ball. Go ahead and cross it off when you're done. Then I have full. Can you see these two cups here at the top? One is empty and one is very full. 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 My next word is smell. Smell. Look at the nose, smelling the yummy flour. L. Smell. Our next word is spill. Ill. Spill. Ill. Spill. Don't forget to cross off spill at the top when you're done. Then we have tall. All. Tall. See a giraffe down here? Giraffes are very tall. All. Tall. Bowl. A boy cow is called a bull. Bowl. Bowl. Our next word is grill. Ill. Grill. Ooh, look at these hamburgers on the grill. Ill. Grill. Our next word is bell. L. Bell. L. Bell. Our next word is shell. L. Shell. L. Shell. And our last word is troll. Ol. Troll. Ol. Troll. Way to go. You did great. Thanks for doing your best work.